Good morning, scholars. Today's fluency for ELT is being able to convert from standard form to slope-intercept form. So whenever you're asked to graph an equation, find the slope, find the y-intercept, we need to make sure our equation is in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. The y is always by itself, which means there's nothing on the same side of the equal sign as y. So when we look at number 1, it was 3x plus 4y equals 8. So I have a 3x being added to y, and I have 4 being multiplied with y. I need to make both of these things go away. I do that by doing the inverse operation. So if I have 3 positive x's, I'm going to subtract 3 x's from both sides. And I get 4y equals negative 3x plus 8. Is the y by itself yet? No. I need to divide by 4. And I'm going to divide everything by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So I'm left with y equals negative 3/4 x. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And this would be the equation in slope-intercept form. Number 2, 15x plus 8y equals 56. Well, I know it's not in slope-intercept form because the y is not by itself, so I'm going to subtract 15x from both sides. I'm subtracting because the 15x in the equation is positive. So I'm left with ay equals negative 15x plus 56. It's plus 56 because the 56 is positive. Then I'm going to divide by 8. And I'm left with y equals negative 15/8 x plus 7. Okay, I'm going to do a couple more and then I'll leave you to practice. Number 7, I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. And I'm left with I'm left with negative y equals negative 3x plus 3. Now, you may think the y is by itself, but it's negative. If the y is negative, that means it's not by itself. By itself means its coefficient is a positive 1. So it looks like it's completely alone. So I need to divide everything by negative 1. And I'm left with y equals positive 3x minus 3. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. Positive divided by a negative is a negative. Now for number 8, y equals 2. That would be a 0 slope, so you can't do anything else to number 8. Same with number 13. This would be an undefined slope because it's x equals 4. So this would look like this. 1, 2, 3. Here's x equals 4. Undefined slope. Okay, so that is as much as you can do with that. There's a bunch of these for you to practice because they come up so much. The more you practice, the better off you will get. Please have your teacher call me or text me if there's any questions. Thank you.